In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Premium's 3-month free trial. YouTube Premium offers some amazing perks like ad-free videos, background play, and access to YouTube Music. And the best part is you can try it out for 3 whole months without paying a cent. First things first, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet or you can go to the YouTube website. Now, as you can see, once you open your YouTube, you can try YouTube Premium Family Fun plan. Simply, if you want to use a family plan, you can also tap on try 1 month, or what you can do is go to your name, scroll down until you find get YouTube Premium, tap on it. Now, when you're on the YouTube Premium subscription page, you should see the option to get a 3-month free trial. This offer is usually available for the first time subscribers only. Make sure you're choosing the correct trial. You should see a message like get 3 months free under the regular monthly subscription plan. Even though you're getting 3 months, you need to enter a valid payment method to start the trial. You won't be charged until the trial period ends, but YouTube needs this to automatically charge you once the trial is over. After you've entered your payment details, you should see a confirmation message saying that your 3-month free trial has started. Once you're all set to enjoy YouTube Premium. Now you gotta remember that after 3 months they will charge you, so you need to cancel it before 3 months expiry date occurs. And that's it. You now know how to get YouTube Premium's 3-month free trial. Enjoy all the amazing features like ad-free videos, background play, and YouTube Music for a whole 3 months without paying a dime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.